Good to know. I mean, they were one hot Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirt country until the Belgians revolted, so there's that. Hot Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. She'd just move her still to the hot Reading Railroad Iron Horse Rambles 1959-1964 logo shirts. Opposite side of the house. This was before the FBI and other federal law enforcement agencies were really a thing. Would be awkward if both inspectors came the same day. The language is fun as well. We had an office near Brussels. Our receptionist had 2 clipboards for visitors. One for one direction in the city and one for the other. We Dutch must send our tanks to claim back our land. So then the bank got shut down for not having proper other products.